What up, guys? Welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to discuss SureTrader. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, what platform do you trade with? And I told you I don't trade with DeGiro anymore. I use SureTrader. So SureTrader is just another platform where basically it allows you to short stocks, it allows you to trade pre-market and after the market closes, so you can get basically a hold of these good opportunities. Uh, I'm not gonna lie. There is bugs on the platform, and you can see the platform looks hideous. It's really simple, and that's the active web, guys. This is a web platform, so it's not a desktop platform. Anybody can get that. So it's really simple to register with them. Just literally, just like you would register for Facebook or basically any other broker. This is a simple process, and then you get your password and basically your username, and you're able to access this platform with your money in there. So you can see basically I've put in 3,600 and my buying power is 21,752. So that is a 6-to-1 leverage, guys. So I put in 1 and I get back 6. So that figure multiplied by 6 equals this. So I can trade with any, basically I can use 21,752 to buy stocks or short stocks. So let's go through SureTrader, guys. It's based in the Bahamas, and this is the platform. It's really simple. This is where you put in your orders. Positions, this is what you have. Watch list is the stocks you're watching. And charts, scanner, and the news regarding stocks. And the best thing is you can see who's buying and selling here, guys, regarding a specific stock. So let's say we want to kind of go through, um, let's say we want to trade waste management or Shopify. Once you click it, once you click on a specific stock, let's say Coca-Cola here, it shows up here and here's all the figures. You put in the symbol, it's automatically loaded here. And let's say you want to trade 30 shares of whatever, limit price. You can either short it or buy it or sell it, depending on what you want. So, uh, Apple, for me, this is the bug, guys, today that I've found out about SureTrader. Let's say we want to short, let's say we want to buy Apple, which is what I want to do right now, but it won't let me because there's a bug, guys. Uh, And you know, when there's a bug, it can destroy basically your trading career. It can ruin you because it's triggered, rejected. That is the bug. I emailed them and I'm waiting for an answer from them now. So the stocks, guys, basically there's 10,000 stocks you can trade here. There isn't a limitation, but yet there is bugs on this platform. Uh, and it's annoying me now, guys. You know, once something annoys me, I change platforms, and you've seen that with Plus 500, and I keep hopping from different. Basically, it's a good platform for beginner traders, guys. Beginner day traders. It's good for day trading only. Yes, you can swing trade, but the best thing to do is basically day trade with this. So the trading here, basically buy, sell, short. It's really simple. You can see anybody can understand this. Even a 12-year-old can actually trade with this. Um, and I kind of use external news to trade with. But that's all I want to do is kind of review this platform for you guys. You can get tweets as well regarding certain stocks. So the market opens in about 15 minutes. And I wanted to trade pre-market, but there is the bug for pre-market, and nobody's awake at the moment to actually answer my calls or my emails because, well, it's too early for them. They're probably asleep right now, just getting ready for work. Uh, but yeah, this is the platform, and it's really simple. You know, you just load up. For me, I load up the penny stocks here if I want. I already loaded up IMMP, trading at, it was 50 cents, I think, 47 cents a share. And I can just short it. It's non-shortable. Some stocks are non-shortable because of volatility, and there's a restriction on them. However, other penny stocks you can actually short. Uh, so the good thing about this is the leverage, and that's the only thing, and the pre-market trading and the ability to short penny stocks. That's the good thing about this platform. Otherwise, you can find any other platform to do your trades with. But SureTrader is really simple, and it's available to anybody. You can be in India, Australia, Europe, UK, Ireland, and still be able to use SureTrader. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That was just me kind of reviewing the platform for you and showing you the platform. But there is bugs on this platform, guys. Um, so that's it. This is where you get your total gains at the end of the day, is the activity. Uh, I've kind of lost my touch to review software these days, but I'm hoping to come back and do more reviews like this. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave the likes and make sure you leave the comments if you have anything to say. If you want me to do more videos like this or live trades, and I probably will make live trades. So yeah, just make sure you leave the comments, guys. I'll see you again for another video, just like always.